Okay, in this video I'm going to show how I created the labels for the movie carts if you want to make your own custom labels. So back in the movie cart files, you'll find a folder called label. If you double click label.to and launch that, it'll be a default label maker. So this is all in TouchDesigner this time, but if you zoom in, you'll see you are presented with the default label. I did call it movie program because I thought that would be cooler than game program since this is all movie related and not game related. So what we'll want to do is take our file in, our movie file in, click the plus button. I've pre-prepared something in desktop for Westworld, just something I found on Google Images and edited in Windows Paint. So if I select that and I zoom in, I see this is what it creates, but I want to change things around a little bit. So let me just turn the display flag on that to keep that in the background. And then I'll click on master label and I'll start going through the parameters. Under the custom page, instead of combat, I'll type in Westworld. Under name color, I like to pick something that resembles the colors in the main image. So I don't know, let's try something like that. Looks good. Usage, use with joystick controllers, that's true. Copyright, label, program, audio, visual. I like to match this to the date the movie was released and who released it. So in this case, it was Metro Golden Mare. And the rest seems all right. I might give it like a unique item number. However, I could change the color here for the Atari logo and leave it at that. But I think I'll leave it at white for a minute. And I'll go to this transform operator. And you can always insert as many operators as you want into this chain to modify the image. Or you could do it in an external photo editor as well. But if I go to this transform, for example, I'm just going to take the translate and middle mouse click and move it down a little bit. And I might make the scale a little bigger too. Whoops. 1.1. Middle mouse click to adjust. And I kind of like that. But then I noticed that these colors are kind of washed out in the background. So you don't have to do this, but since we're already in TouchDesigner, what I will do is I will take a ramp top, transform it by 90 degrees, put down a multiply top, multiply those two images together, make it the resolution of the first input, and then use that instead. And then you see there's a little bit of shading from top to bottom. So now I can see the Atari and the logo a little clearer. I might go back to the ramp top and just put in a few more keys just to play around with that profile a little bit. And again, you don't have to do this, but this is just to show what's possible. So once you're happy with that, you can press master label and save image. And then it tells you it created something called label westworld.png. Then I hit OK, and it brings up a little preview of it. So now you can take this file and you can send it off to get printed or print it off yourself. Personally, I quite like the services from Sticker.U. I'm not sure if this is available in all areas or not, but Sticker.U, I create white vinyl removable stickers, and I create a sheet at a time. And that's how I make my movie posters. I'm sorry, my movie cartridges. And the resolution that this defaults to is 700 by 870 pixels. So basically I call that 70 by 87 millimeters, which fits well. Let me just do that one more time. One thing I forgot to mention. You'll see it's broken up into two parts, so you'll have to cut along this line, and this will be the main face, and this will be the top edge. And that's how you can create custom MovieCart labels. Thank you.